Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we'll continue our concept microorganisms. So how the disease will affect and by which pathogens will get the diseases. So based on microorganisms and its major drawbacks to the human beings. So what is our first one? Biology NEET course in this. First multiple choice question. The spreading of disease from infected person to healthy person through an agent is called dash diseases. First one, communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, vector-borne diseases, and dangerous diseases. So first one we know that is from one person to another person, name itself is telling it is communicable diseases. Next, second one, the microorganisms that cause diseases are called. So microorganisms which cause diseases. First option is parasites. Second one is successful microorganisms. Third one, pathogens and harmful microorganisms. So second one we know that is the pathogens will cause the diseases. So that type of microorganisms are called pathogens. Next, third one, which of the following diseases are caused by microorganisms? Citrus canker, anthrax, whooping cough, and all the above. So all the above is the answer. So all will caused by microorganisms. So citrus canker will to the lemon and lemon family trees, and anthrax and all whooping cough, all things to the human beings. Dash is an infected organism capable of transmitting the disease to the another organism without showing the clinical signs of the disease. So without showing the disease, it going to affect the one person to the another person. So we can call it first one pathogen, parasite, harmful organism, carrier. So we know that is the carrier which will, so carrier will not have any signs, any disease, but it will transfer from one place to the another place, one source to the another source. So that is called carrier, option D. Next one, in this insect, pathogens stick to the hair on body parts and legs and transfer to the foot. So which insect will transfer all these things? Pathogens stick the hair on body. So first one, female Anopheles mosquito and Aedes mosquito. Third one is housefly. Fourth one is male Anopheles mosquito. So we know that is the it will, so pathogens stick to the hair on body parts and legs transfer to the foot. So fifth one we know that is house flies. So pathogens will stick to the housefly's legs and hair on the body. So and it will going to transfers to the foot when houseflies are arrived and sitting on a foot. Next one, by following these methods, mosquito spread diseases can be prevented by. So following these methods, any method which is decrease the mosquito spreading diseases. Draining of stagnant water, fixing fine mesh to the doors and windows, spray oil should on the surface of dirty water. So all will be correct one. So all the above you can take it. Next one, seventh one, which of the following methods housefly spread diseases can be prevented? Housefly. So first one, should not leave household garbage here and there. Correct one. Food should always be kept covered. Yes, absolutely. Then using insecticides. X. All the above. So DD. You can take it as DD. Next one. Seventh one is over. Then come to the eighth one. Eighth one is the match the following. So match the following. So what is that here? Malaria, left side dengue, tuberculosis and rust of wheat. Right side bacteria, fungus, protozoa and virus. So we know that is the malaria is caused by, that is animal. So malaria, eighth one is malaria is from protozoa, and dengue we know that is dengue is from virus, and tuberculosis bacteria, rust of wheat is. So from these microorganisms, so malaria is protozoa, it is animal family mosquito. Dengue from, it is also from, what is that? D, virus. And tuberculosis from bacteria. So rust of wheat is related to fungus, that is CDAB, first option you have to select. And match the following. Next one, malaria, typhoid and chicken pox, right side air contact mosquito and housefly. So we know that is malaria is will come from mosquito. Ninth one, mosquito, that is B. And typhoid is will come from housefly, that is C. Then chicken pox, air and contact, that is option B, B, C, A. Next one, diseases spread by the following insect. So here mosquito they are given, here it's not visible correctly to you. Then first one is malaria, cholera and Aedes, all the above. So cholera, Aedes all will come from, so what is that? Houseflies. So malaria, first one, option A. Next one, the following figure depicts the spread of, so these are all people are contacted to different places and different persons. This is communicable diseases, and what they are given options we have to see. Communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, diseases spread by animals only, diseases spread by air only. So all are involved here, animals, people, everything, air, everything it is involved. So 11th one we know that is communicable diseases, first option you have to select. Then one, 12th one. So 12th one is what? The spread of following type of communicable disease can be prevented by, first one, covering the food items. The suffering person should always cover his mouth and nose with handkerchief while sneezing and coughing, following both A and B. D, none of the above options can prevent the spread. So we know that is 12th one is C, both A and B. So you can select covering the food items, everything. Then come to 13th one. So what is 13th one here? So 13th one is identify the following microbial plant diseases. So first one is for wheat and paddy, rust we will get, and this is citrus, these are the lemon, citrus canker, and this is groundnut leaf, and this is lady's finger leaf. So we know that is first option rust, canker, citrus canker, ticca diseases for groundnuts, and yellow vein mosaic for the lady's finger. We know that is option A. Option A is itself is correct. Next one. Sumati lives in the house where household garbage is not removed regularly, food is not covered. Second one, what are the effect of this type of, so they are given one sentence, based on that they are asking question. What is the effect of this type of surroundings on her and her family health? First option, all will be in perfect health condition, they are not at all removed regularly, garbage everything, food also not covered. How its option is correct? No, garbage get decomposed and absolutely there is no problem. No, how it's decomposed without removing out all the things in a perfect way. She and her family members can get infected with microbial pathogens. Absolutely it is correct answer. Go with C, option C. Next, 15th one. Diseases spread by the following insect. This is housefly. So cholera, tuberculosis and diarrhea, both, all the above. So we know that is all are things come from house flies, and it is carrier is a carrier of diseases. Anthrax disease is caused by bacillus anthracis, lactobacillus, rhizobium bacteria and HIV virus. So name itself is telling that bacillus anthracis. Next statement, 17th one, option A. 17th one, we should only use disposable syringes and needles for taking injection. Absolutely, disposable one only you have to take it. We should avoid eating uncovered food items from the roadside stalls. Absolutely, both statements are correct. Then go with the first and two are correct. Then next one, by the following, so 18th one, by following ways communicable diseases can occur and spread by breathing contaminated air, by taking infected food or water, through insect bites such as mosquito bites, all the above. So 18th one we know that is all the above. Communicable diseases can occur and spread. So this is the one, all the above. Next one, come to the 19th question. So what is 19th question here is cholera is caused by bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. So we know that is animals related to protozoans, 19th one. So that is bat cholera is caused by the bacteria, that is pathogens. So bacteria. Cholera is bacteria, 19th one. Then carrier of dengue virus is housefly, dragonfly, female Aedes mosquito and butterfly. So dengue virus, it's telling that dengue virus, that is female Aedes mosquito. So C option. Next one. Radha says that mosquito and housefly are harmful and transmit diseases like malaria, but Sumati argues that they are harmless because if they transmit diseases and show symptoms of disease. Radha is correct, Sumati is correct, both Radha, Sumati is correct, none of the above. 21 we know that is Radha is correct. So she is only telling that harmful when it is transmitting. Next 22. Worldwide agricultural crop production is affected because of microbial diseases in plants like red rot of sugarcane, ticca diseases in groundnut. Is this statement is true? 22 it is yes. B. Next one. It is advised to grow gambusia fish or western mosquito fish in human surroundings because first one, control mosquito population, control housefly population, biocontrol organism controlling mosquito population, both A and C. Both A and C. So biocontrol organism control mosquito population, it will be reduced, and control mosquito population, it will be control mosquito population. Then 24th, it must to use disposable needles, have blood transfusion after testing, use sterilized surgical instruments in operations because it improves income of hospitals, no, status symbols, no, and to stop infected and none. To stop infected from one person to the another person when it is stored on the surgical instruments. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.